All right, everyone. So once you've downloaded your Watershed, you have screenshot it, and let's say instead of using the tools within your screenshot app, you decide to delineate your Watershed using Google Docs. So the first thing you need to do is go to Insert, Drawings, New, and then select Image, and you can either drag and drop or you can just select choose an image to upload. Great. Now in this case, just do the best you can, right? It's not going to be perfect. You're not going to get every single part of your watershed correct. It's totally fine, right? So the first thing you need to do is, again, try to find the circles that surround your waterway. So the first one that pops up for me is this one here. Then the next one is here. One quick and easy way to kind of pick out where the next one will be is you'll want to use your eyes and your mouse to go perpendicular to the lines for the most part. Again, it's not going to be 100% perpendicular, but that gives you a sense, right? Then you try to find the rest of your circles. And then from there, you circle all the way around until you finish up with your watershed. Now, select the scribble and then just circle all the way around. Again, doing the best you can, going around your watershed. You circle here, this one here, 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 etc. And then that's it. Select Save and Close. And now you have your watershed. And that's pretty much it. What you can do next is you can either save it as a PDF, you can save it as an image, or as a Word document, and then make sure you upload it to our classroom.